Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you that how to change DPI settings in Samsung Galaxy A17. If you are using A17 and you want to change your DPI settings, let's see how can you do that. You just have to open your settings and settings, just scroll down and look for display option. Tap on it and here you will get screen zoom. Just tap on it. From here you can easily increase or decrease your screen zoom if you want. But if you want to do it from your developer settings, you must have to go for main settings, and for this time you must have to open your about phone, then go for software information, and here you will find build number. You must have to keep tapping on it until you have to enter your pin. If you don't have any pin, you must have to tap on OK to allow the open settings. And you can see developer mode has been enabled. Now go back, go for main setting and further scroll up and you will find developer option. Just tap on it and here you just have to look for minimum width. Just tap on the search option and here just search for minimum. Once you have searched, you will get minimum width and developer options. Tap on it and here just open the setting and here from here you can easily enter your own minimum width that I'm going to enter, let's say 500. Just tap on OK. So that's how you can easily change your DPI settings on Samsung Galaxy A17. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.